Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through my experience of the 2023 Urban Wood Drying Workshop put on by Deadwood Revival, SacTree, and North Carolina State University. The primary speaker was a Dr. Frederick Lalick. He knows so much about urban wood and the detail of wood molecules, and it was a phenomenal class. So while we were there, we went over urban wood philosophy and business cultures, the introduction on how to actually identify different types of wood, uh, wood and moisture and how they react, urban wood kilns, how to measure and monitor the moisture content, urban wood drying quality, a ton of resources, the literature, the training materials, as well as like an endless amount of roundtable discussions between Deadwood Revival, SacTree, and even StreetTree Revival. Here's a brief look into SacTree's Nile kiln and then their vacuum kiln.
Beautiful smell.
We got it through Bailey, who I think is the retailer for it out here.
Why did you pick this? Or what made you select this?
It was just based on research and seeing the best based on what we were going to try to do, and also where they were with their technology, but also their understanding of drying urban wood.
How much are you looking at, roughly? Roughly, no exact numbers. I mean,
no, this was 150 total, including install.
Wow.
So I think
Now, including their massive yard, they have a couple of shipping containers that already has slabbed up wood that is dry and ready to be sold. Some containers have massive tables size pieces, some are side table size, and the last few has cookies and even like mantle slabs. As you can see here, some of them don't even fit inside the container itself. And those last three right there, those redwoods, they came home with me. So the yard's massive. They even have a section here that are air drying. Underneath that gray patina is some beautiful wood. And they have a little stack of dry firewood. This table is insane. I absolutely love this thing. Here's a brief shot of the signs inside the yard, where you can find them, and just how much carbon can get sequestered just by properly drying and reusing this wood versus it breaking down. Here are a massive, absolutely massive air drying facility that's covered. So these won't get that super gray patina, but they have the benefits of air moving all the way around it. On the last day of the class, after touring everything, asking all the questions, grabbing the wood that you wanted to from SacTree, we were invited to StreetTree Revival's location, which is down in Stockton, and we saw their massive sawmill and equally massive walk-in kiln. So if you haven't heard, urban wood is really kicking off. It's becoming a huge thing, and this is all wood that was taken from tree services. These beautiful, beautiful woods in the surrounding area normally would have gotten chipped, brought to the dump, and it's such a shame. But because of people like StreetTree, Sackwood, a ton of mobile milling surfaces, people with Alaskan chainsaws, this movement is bringing beautiful wood from your local backyard into your home.
You did? Talk to me. Talk to me.
see it's got a reverse thing on there?
That's gnarly.
So the flaps up top, is that to like control airflow? Nice. Keeps it going down. Okay, I got you.